Introducing the Striplox Pro55, a joining system which is adaptable in providing both permanent and reusable joins. Made from high strength reinforced nylon, it comprises of two parts. The first part being the hook. The second part being the key. In this video, I will cover topics such as the size of the product, the method of assembly, the load capacity, features and areas you can use the Striplox Pro55. Featuring the international standard 32mm drilling pattern. Also note the elongated positioning holes to allow for a small amount of movement to get perfectly level on site. There is an optional snap lock fitted to the Striplox Pro55. Leaving the tab in place will permanently join the substrates together. Simply removing the tab means you'll be able to reuse the join. You can unlock the device by a small screwdriver, lifting up the tab and sliding and unlocking the device. Strength and durability of the Striplox Pro55 is quite remarkable due to the load being spread over the entire key. Thank you for listening to the Striplox presentation. If you require any further information, please visit our website. Alternatively, go and see one of our local distributors and ask for Striplox, the perfect joining solution. Thank you.